Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about, guys, if you are receiving and if you are calling on your iPhone. So guys, your iPhone screen goes black during receiving call or incoming call. So how can I fix this problem? So guys, this is a glitch normally, so don't worry. So follow these steps. First of all, guys, open setting application on your iPhone, and here is the interface. Simply scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update. You can see, and first check is software update is available. So first update your software. So guys, after that, second method is go back from here and now scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Guys, tap on reset all setting. So guys, enter your iPhone passcode. Don't worry, don't lose any kind of data, your photos and videos. So enter your iPhone passcode and simply reset all setting. I hope after reset all setting your problem will be solved. So guys, this is a normally glitch. With reset all setting your problem will be solved. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.